Hi there, this is VanDriel with TriVan Truck Body, and today I'm going to walk you through this van upfit that we recently completed for Kern County Child Support Services in California. This is a 2024 Ford Transit high roof extended length that we upfitted for use as a mobile workspace for Child Support Services employees. On both the road and curbside of this van, we've installed a full width power awning as well as our custom fabricated flip-up aluminum serving window. This window is entirely designed and built at TriVan to match the curves of the exterior of the van and look like a factory Ford option. We've also added a plexiglass spit guard with a slot for passing through documents or information. And each of these serving windows also has a two-way bank teller style speaker and a button to alert occupants of the van that there's someone waiting for service at one of the windows. Let's take a look at some of the work that we've done on the inside of this van. So on the interior, you can see our TriVan fabricated custom aluminum cabinetry package. All of this was designed in consultation with the client. And you'll notice that our cabinetry packages hug the exterior curves of the van in order to maximize space wherever possible. And then in the middle of the van, we've got a mini kitchenette with a fridge and a microwave. And then immediately behind that, in this sound attenuated cabinet, is the 5.5 kilowatt Cummins generator. This will power all the 110 volt and 12 volt components in the vehicle, like the air conditioner, outlets, and so forth. And it's plumbed directly into the chassis fuel tank and is started with the push of a button. Now, we already saw this serving window from the outside, but from the inside, opening it is as simple as pulling an automotive latch and letting the gas struts do the work. And at the front of the van, the cab area is separated from the rear cargo area by this fabric partition wall. This has got an unzippable door for pass-through. It's equipped with storage slots as well. And then above that, you can see we've installed a storage shelf to make use of the room above the front two seats. At the rear of the van, we've installed the controls for the inverter and the generator, as well as the transfer switches necessary to select between the three available sources of power for this van, those being shore power, generator power, and battery power. And next to that, you can also see the control panel for all of the 12 volt and 120 volt electrical accessories in this van. Thanks for joining me on this brief tour of TriVan's latest project. If you've got any upcoming specialty vehicle projects, don't hesitate to give us a call.